In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to target worldwide on TikTok ads. Perhaps you're looking to expand your brand's reach across borders or aiming to connect with a global audience for your creative content. Whatever your goals, understanding how to set your TikTok ads for global reach can significantly impact your marketing strategy. Let's dive into the steps you need to take. First, let's navigate to the TikTok ads homepage. You can do so by typing ads.tiktok.com into your browser's address bar. This is where you'll start the process of setting up your ads for a worldwide audience. Once you're there, look for the login button and click on it. This step is pretty straightforward, but it's crucial for accessing your TikTok ads account. If you've already got an account, you're on the right path. If not, you'll need to set one up before proceeding. After clicking login, you'll be prompted to enter your email and password associated with your TikTok ads account. Type in your credentials carefully. These details are your key to unlocking the vast potentials of TikTok advertising. Once you've entered your login details, go ahead and click on the login button again to access your account. Be ready. You may be prompted to prove you're not a robot with a CAPTCHA verification. It's a simple step to ensure the security of your account, so go ahead and confirm it. Following your successful login and verification, TikTok will send a code to your email for an extra layer of security. This is a one-time password, OTP, that you'll need to enter to proceed. So check your email inbox, copy the code, and then paste it into the required field. Now that you're logged in and fully verified, it's time to get down to business. Navigate your way to the campaign section of your dashboard. You can either follow the link provided or look for the campaign tab within the TikTok ads platform. Once you're in the campaign section, it's time to clarify your ad structure. Next, click on Ad Group. This is where the magic begins. In TikTok ads, campaigns are your overall advertising objective, and ad groups sit within these campaigns. Each ad group allows you to specify the settings and targeting for a set of ads. After selecting an ad group, you'll want to click on Edit Draft. This will bring up your ad group settings, where you can fine-tune the details of your advertising strategy. This step is critical for ensuring your ad reaches the right audience. Now let's focus on tailoring your ad group for a worldwide audience. Find and click on Demographics. This part allows you to specify the age, gender, and languages of the audience you want to target. But since our goal is to go global, we'll move on to the next critical step. That step is adjusting the location settings. This might seem counterintuitive, but by clicking on location and then deleting the preset location, you essentially remove any geographical restrictions on your ad. This action enables your ad to be potentially seen by TikTok users across the globe. It's essential to understand that by targeting worldwide, you are casting a very wide net. While this increases your ad's reach, consider pairing this strategy with precise demographic targeting to ensure your ad content resonates with the broad audience you're aiming to capture. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to targeting a worldwide audience with your TikTok ads. Remember, global reach means your content has the potential to connect with people from various cultures and backgrounds. Make your content relatable, engaging, and respectful to appeal to a diverse audience. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial. By following these steps, you're on your way to expanding your brand's reach on one of the most dynamic social media platforms today. Whether you're promoting a product, a service, or simply sharing your creative content, targeting a worldwide audience on TikTok can open up new possibilities for engagement and growth. Happy TikToking, and here's to your success on a global stage.